court shouldn't waste its time with any order of treatment at Murchison Bay. It will not help me. Currently, I'm using the HDU bed. HDU is a high dependency bed. The only we have in Chico, Murchison Bay. And a lodger now in the hospital. I don't know how to describe a lodger, but I'm just lodging. The only thing they can do is to manage to check on my vitals, blood sugars, pressure levels, SOPs, pulse, and to that I give them credit. They have done it regularly. But there's nothing. And the situation is moving from bad to worse. Because now, Worship Family said this. Honorable Sekona here has presented to you my situation that I'm using clonazepam, diazepam, and bromazepam. These are sedatives. These are sedatives. Initially, I was using amtoprim. They said, no, you leave that. Now you try diazepam. They said, no, you leave it. Try bromazepam. Try this. Now, our resident doctor, Kasuja, had stopped me from using these sedatives. He said, please, you're endangering your life. But I could not sleep. I said, damned I do it, damned I don't. If I use them, I'm going to die. If I don't use them, I'm going to die. Because if I don't sleep, if I don't sleep, this insomnia, it worsens gastroesophageal disease, GERD. It worsens hiatus hernia. Then in the end, again, I need a surgery. Surgery here. They told me what I need right now is called fundoplication. Fundoplication is a process where now they cut the lower esophageal system here, sphincter muscle down here, which connects the stomach with the esophagus to narrow it so that you can contain the food in the stomach so that it doesn't go up. This can only, yes, there are those who can mechanically do it, but in this era of laparoscopy technology, one would need to have that benefit of cutting-edge technology using laparoscopic methods to do that kind of surgical operation, to handle this just niggling problem. So that I can also have sleep like you do. I'm entitled to do that. Like any other human being. I'm ready to be tried, but when I'm alive. I'm ready to stand in trial. I'm ready to defend myself. But how am I kept? Finally, Your Worship. Finally, Your Worship. And I can always even beyond the man. No problem. But when I'm alive. But where I'm being kept, it's just a question of time. One thing I always explain, you see me here standing, when they say, well, we have seen you are strong. Even in Uganda, they say, we see you, you seem to be strong. I said, but you don't know the nature of this problem. You can just drop dead. I've always given the example of medical boy who was driving on the road and all of a sudden he died on the steering. So, I want to conclude this, Your Worship. Another danger I am facing, like where I am residing, and I appreciate it is the best they can offer for me. Because according to Professor Olbia, the pulmonologist, the environment in Boma, what we call Boma, is not conducive for my situation. with that post-COVID lung complex.